Hello everyone, I'm Jack Chen. Today I'm in Shenzhen. This shopping mall, you see, just like a supermarket. We call Paijitang. This means it's a big hold and you can touch, see, feel the mobile phone here with the price. And you can pick up the iPhone, you can turn it on. You see, already turned on. You can use it, can feel it, can touch it, and you also can see the price. The price is transparent. For example, this phone with his own number is 2864. Then you can see here a signboard. It's called Paijitang Shopping Mall. You see the number here is 2864. Almost new. Apple iPhone 13, 128 gigabyte, plain color is 1833 RMB. So if you want to buy a good used iPhone, you can let me know. I will come here. I will pick up the best one, the suitable one for you with the price transparency. I will charge $30 for each iPhone, and you will pay the phone and you will pay the delivery fee. If you need this help, you can let me know. I'm Jack Chen in Shenzhen, Huaqiangbei.